Hello guys, how are you doing today? Welcome back. So it's been a very long time I haven't made any video. So today what we are learning today is how to install an emulator in the RDP. That's gonna be really easy. Okay, just follow the steps. And I won't be using any third-party application or any tool. Okay, from any unpublisher. So we will be using some official tools from the emulator itself. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's just jump to the RDP. Okay, so here first of all, we will have to download BlueStacks, and before that we have to do some settings, and we will be using a tool from BlueStacks where we will be enabling the Hyper-V. Okay, I know you have some questions before proceeding, but I'll be telling these things while the installation process. Okay, so please wait for that. So first thing is, just let's install the tool first. Okay, we will search BlueStacks Hyper-V tool. Okay, just search this thing and then you will come here. So let me tell you, my RDP is of a German server. That's how you are just getting text in the German language. Okay, so here we have a tool. Just hold on, let me just scroll to that tool. We will scroll down. Don't worry, I will just give you a direct link, and there's a option using your custom tool. Click on it. Here just click on download the custom tool, right? So before just starting the process, let's download BlueStacks as well. Search BlueStacks. Okay, so it's up to you if you want to install BlueStacks 5 or 10. Okay, it totally depends on the space that you have on your RDP. And I will be just discussing those things as well, like the configuration, what is the best thing or what is my recommendation. I will be telling that thing in the end. Okay, so make sure to watch video till end. So let's download BlueStacks 10. Okay, so first of all, I won't open it. First of all, I will just open the custom tool. Just double click on it. Okay, I will just click on exit because I will have to give it a restart. And we all know that it usually happens whenever we make any changes to our system. So it asks for restart. So that's how we are going to do the same thing. Okay, now so we have got the option restart. And if you don't do it, then the settings won't work and you won't be able to install emulator. You have to do this thing. It's really compulsory. Okay, so you have to do a restart. Okay, so we have come out from the RDP. We will search RDP again. So we will have to wait for a while, like for 10 seconds or for a minute, because RDP will restart again. So we have to connect to the server. So it takes some time, not more than a minute. Okay, so we will wait. Yeah. Okay, so we have entered into the RDP successfully, right? So now we will have to install BlueStacks. So I will go to files. Here there's a folder called downloads. Just double tap on it. Then it will check your system. Then click on install. I agree. So it won't take much time. You know, usually the speed is really high in RDP. So I thought to tell you things in between, but I think I will tell you all those things in the end. Okay, so let's start this emulator first. And after that, I will show you everything by writing on the notepad. What should be best option for you and how you can use it. Okay. So yeah, now I think it's downloading. It will check the system requirement. Meanwhile, we will just open the notepad and understand what should be the best configuration for you and how you can purchase RDP, right? So first of all, it really depends on your purpose. Whenever you are buying a RDP, which we also call as virtual machine, okay, so must tell your purpose, like why are you using RDP? If you're just using RDP for simple uploading and downloading, then 3 core 4 GB RAM is enough. Okay, it's more than enough. If you really want to just do uploading, and make sure it's not about emulator, it's about simple using browser like Chrome or any anti-detect browser. Like, okay, so this is for your downloading and uploading purpose. So this should be the configuration for your RDP. It is really cheap, it won't cost you much, right? Let's check our process. Okay, so the second one is if you want to run emulator. So emulator is gonna charge you really high. And the second thing is configuration. Configuration should be 8 core minimum. Okay, 8 core into 32 GB minimum. Okay, minimum. If you want to run around 3 to 4 instances or 5, mine is 32 GB. Okay, and if you want to go for higher end, then that could be 16 cores, maybe 8 cores, and then 64 GB RAM. Okay, 64 GB RAM. So this is the configuration for emulator. And for downloading and simple purpose, you can go with this thing. Okay, and if you want to buy RDP, you can message me. I will just drop my Instagram in the description. Okay, so I'm not a seller, but I will suggest you some people who provide good RDPs in the market, right? So let's check our RDP first. Emulator, right? Just click on next, 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 again next. Okay, so here we have an option called as multi-instance manager. This is where you manage instances in bulk, like you manage emulators, devices in bulk. So here you click on instance. Here you can click on fresh instance one, then choose your version of Android. Okay, so here I would recommend to use Pi 64. This is the best thing. Okay, then click on next. Yeah, you people like sometimes ask me what is my configuration, how I set these things in the devices. So let's set up those things. Core I will always keep medium, 2 cores. Memory allocation would be high. Okay, then landscape, no landscape, it's portrait. Okay, then this is okay, no change. Always click on high memory if you want to have a full use of the device. If you don't want to feel any of the lag, then go for this setting. Okay, then click on create. So then we are done. Let's open it. So this is how you can install emulator on your RDP. Some people face a problem. So now you need a link for Hyper-V. Okay, that's the only thing. You don't have to make any changes. You don't have to enable the, actually I'm talking about Hyper-V. You don't have to enable it manually. There's a tool and they have an official tool for that. Okay, there's a custom tool. Just you just have to double click on it and then it will do everything for you, right? We'll wait for a while and we will check the emulator first. Then I will just end up my video. Okay, meanwhile it is just getting on. Let's talk more about it. Okay, so this is the configuration. This is for downloading and uploading process. This one. If you want to run an emulator, you have to go for this, and this. You can even go for 16 cores, right? And the GB, the RAM would be the suitable one as per your need. So this is how you can set your configuration. Because sometimes what happens, there is a misunderstanding between the seller and the buyer. So you buy something that is not of your use. Okay, this is how your experience gets worse, right? So you can see it will take some time. Yeah, so I have opened my device on emulator, right? So this is my Android device. So yeah, that's all about today's video. I hope you liked the video, and if you have any question, please do let me know in the comment box. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching my video. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.